massive problem. It's called my closet. I have got to get through this closet and declutter somewhat. So that's what we're doing right now. But yeah, check this out, you guys. Like, it's kind of ridiculous. And that's not even half of it. And I got all this stuff up here in rows. I have two dressers in my actual room that are jam-packed full, and I've got to get through these. Now, whatever I end up decluttering, I probably, if it's in like really good condition, because a lot of this stuff, I hate to say it, some of it still has tags on it. But whatever that's in really good condition, I will probably put on Mercari, and the other stuff I will probably donate. But yeah, it's a task I've been dreading, but yeah, I've been dreading it. Okay, so my goal is to, anything I haven't worn, and at least anything I didn't really reach for a lot last season, stuff that's this season, if I haven't reached for it, I'm not going to reach for it by the end of the summer. So I really need to do a good clean out, and yeah. I know I ain't gonna wear this again, but it's still sitting in my closet. I do like this one though. This is a cute dress for fall. I love it. Like, I did make a huge dent though, bro. Like, I really did make a huge dent. But I still have to go through shoes. I still have to go through my dressers. And I have to go through all this top area here. But, bruh. Damn. The girl had a lot of clothes. I did not realize how much clothes I had. Happy Saturday! What are we doing right now? I'm actually getting ready to go out the door, and I am going to do some errands. That's always fun. Anthony went with my daughter last night for, like, she periodically takes him overnight at her house for, like, big sissy time, which I think is so freaking cute. But last night they went to this rotating sushi restaurant that's new in the area. It's like a conveyor belt of sushi that goes through the restaurant, and you can just pick off of it what you want. So I thought that was pretty cool. I'm going to insert some clips here.
Go ahead, try it.
It has a lemony taste.
Mm-hmm.
And then today she's taking him to this African safari drive-through park that's out by Sandusky, Ohio. So she's supposed to be sending me a bunch of clips, and I'm going to insert those here.
Hi. You're biting. Want some lettuce, buddy? Lettuce. You want some lettuce?
Why'd you roll the window up? Here, stick your head out there.
Anthony, roll down your window.
Buddy.
You can't hand feed it. You gotta.
Anthony, you gotta stick your cup out. Michael!
Come on.
Stick your cup out of the car. Anthony, you gotta stick your cup out of the car, dude. Isn't it pretty? Yeah, its fur feels funny, doesn't it?
You're my bird.
Sorry.
You're my bird. Hold on. I give you the most.
Oh, you look at him. That really touched his shoulder. Oh, he's kind of bad.
It is. Look at that. Look at
He's the beefy guy.
beefy boy.
No, get a new one. Go get a new bird. This is my bird.
I'm scared.
Look at all this.
We're going out to feed them. They know it's lunchtime.
Oh, we got one more here.
Yeah.
We can get that. Lemurs can swim, can't they? Then they can just escape.
Maybe.
Not one eating. They're just eating off something off the stick. They're like, eat us, eat us.
Hi, baby. Hi, babies.
He's too busy eating his lettuce or whatever he's eating. Too much lettuce.
Hi, babies. Beautiful. Oh, so pretty. Oh, you dropped something? What'd you drop? Oh, there he goes. There she goes. Yeah, like a baby kangaroo is a joey. Did you know they have really sharp claws?
Yeah.
So yes, so meanwhile, child-free Mary, I am going to run some errands. I have to stop at the post office. And I got some new PR in the mail today. You want to come see? You want to come see? You want to come see? I did get some new PR in the mail. Yes. I know what these are. They are from Sojos. They're from Sojos. And I'll be reviewing those very soon in one of my videos. I will be doing that since they will be sponsoring a video. Yes, so I can't tell you what they are right now, but yeah, they're pretty cute. I've already, I'm going to peep those out, so. But anyway, yeah, just running errands today. I was thinking about stopping at Bath & Body Works, but there ain't nothing new there. It's like it's very lackluster there right now, so I'm probably going to wait until they actually have new out before I go in the store again. I do have another order coming though. There was like my last SAS order, and it's literally been in transit for like a week and a half now, almost 2 weeks. So anyway, yeah, so I have that coming, but I also have to get some errands done because we are leaving this coming Thursday for that trip up to the islands here of Lake Erie that we're going for 3 nights, 4 days. So I have to get some stuff done for that, and yeah. So let's leave. Let's get rocking, right? Let's go. Y'all, I think it's about to rain again. It looks like it's gonna freaking rain. I finally got my butt out of the house. Like, from when I last talked to you, I putzed around and was doing crap around the house before I could even get out the door. So, yeah. But I see, like, lots of garage sales in the neighborhood today, which it's about to storm. I swear to God, it's about to storm. So, good luck to them. Good luck to you. God damn it, there's a punch buggy. And Anthony ain't in the car with me. Like, yo, let me tell you something. Anthony and I get heavy hardcore into punch buggies. You know, like Beetles, Volkswagen Bugs. Like, it's a competition between him and I. When we were in Mexico, they have those everywhere. Like, it's the land of retired Volkswagen Bugs from the U.S. that have somehow made their way to Mexico, because I swear to God, they're everywhere there. So every time we go to Mexico, I always tease them, like, boy, you gonna come back with a black eye, because I'm gonna knock you the hell out with all these punch buggies we're gonna be seeing. So it's funny. It's an inside joke. But anyway, I ain't gonna really give my child a black eye, y'all. But anyway, tonight when Anthony gets back, we have a birthday party we're going to later on today. My son's godmother, Carmen, her daughter, is a year younger than Anthony, almost to the day. And her name is Serenity. And, you know, a funny story, because when I was pregnant with Anthony, I didn't know what I was having. I didn't know if I was having a boy or girl. And we didn't want to know until he actually physically came out of my body. I had never had a pregnancy where I didn't know what I was having. So when I was pregnant with him, we decided if it was going to be a boy, we were going to name him Anthony. But if it was a girl, we were going to name her Serenity. And ironically enough, I have a boy, and my dear friend Carmen had a girl a year later and named her Serenity. So I guess I did get both. But yeah, we are going, she's having a birthday party today, and we're going over there for that. It's not going to be anything huge. I'm hoping the kids can maybe even get in the pool, but it looks like it's going to rain, bruh. Oh, I hear a dog barking. Where is there a dog? I hear a dog. I hear a dog. I don't see a dog, but I hear a dog. Oh, I think it's that car. God, that dog was loud as hell, and I got my windows up. Like, that dog was loud. But I was also thinking of going to the mall today, but I have so much crap to do, and it's already noon. I don't know. We'll see what happens. And I got to get laundry done and a few other things done errand-wise before Monday. So, we'll see. So, I made it to the party, y'all. And look who I got here. This is Carmen. This is Anthony's godmother. Yeah, this music is not party music, by the way.
No.
She gonna be in the vlog this week. You're gonna be in the vlog.
I am?
Yeah, I vlog every week. I put together a weekly vlog.
Oh shit, well then that can happen.
We be popping up in here.
I'm from New York.
There'll be children everywhere in here. I told you it was for Serenity. She's 9. So there's children everywhere. Just children everywhere. Yeah.
Little autistic children. You got superpowers.
You got superpowers.
Autism is a superpower.
That's right.
Bye, baby. Like.
Alright, ready?
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Serenity. Happy birthday to you. Wait, roll out, girl. Wait. We got the other one here.
Yo,
Yeah,
Josh,
this
what's
is
this? Hey. Vlog?
my vlog. Yeah, my weekly vlog for my channel.
Hi, Christian. But I'm mostly
What's up?
talking to Christian. What's up,
Oh, Christian will probably see you. Yeah.
Tell me to call me back.
This is JoJo. This is a younger brother. This is cute.
Watch out. Watch out, Joe.
She is a fashionista.
Thank you. My name is Ivy Valentine. I'm a personal stylist here in Cleveland, Ohio. You can find me on either StitchFix.com or on Instagram at iv.bltn, and I would love to style you.
Hell damn, yeah, baby girl, yes. She fly though, girl. Let me tell you, she flies. She will hook your shit up for real. This is Carmen's husband, Ish. He's not been on the vlog before.
I'm shy.
Ish is Carmen's love of her life.
They're
They're about to celebrate their anniversary. Aren't you? How many years now?
14 years.
14 years.
Yes.
What is your most favorite quality about your wife?
She's caring.
She's got a good heart.
She's got a great heart.
And you're a lucky man.
Óyeme, yo no creo que ella pueda más con esta soledad. No, créeme.
Happy Sunday, y'all. We are running errands. I have to run to the laundromat, of course. I mean, when does that ever stop? I'm gonna go clean out the car because we're leaving for Put-in-Bay on Thursday, and the only time I'm gonna have to do it today. So we're gonna clean the car out, and then look what I got. A new order. So I'm gonna be making a couple of videos this afternoon too. And yeah, and then tonight I'm gonna make a good dinner, and that's pretty much what we're doing today on Sunday. Tomorrow I have to work. I know this week's vlog hasn't been the most interesting, but I promise you the Put-in-Bay vlog is going to be phenomenal, and you're going to absolutely love it. So I appreciate your sticking with me through the boring weeks. I'll see you in a bit.
Si alguien me hubiera dicho que jamás te podré olvidar, yo cerraba la puerta para nunca dejarte entrar. I know, I know, I know, I know. Yo la dejé abierta. Trato de acostumbrarme a esta nueva decoración, un cepillo de dientes.
It is now Sunday evening, 6 o'clock. I'm sorry I haven't checked in with y'all, but your girl has been like uber busy. But I thought it was super cute because Anthony's got a bunch of his friends over here, and I just wanted to like show you. Like, I don't want to get caught. There are just kids everywhere. Look at all these freaking kids. And they love this tree right here. They love to climb that tree, so I think it's so freaking cute. But yeah, he's outside playing. I finally got videos done. I got everything uploaded on Mercari that I need to upload. So yeah, back so soon, are we?
Ben's phone in here. They're gonna do a little bit of wrestling.
Oh, okay. You don't want their phones to get busted. Good looking out. So yeah, so now I'm about to package up some Mercari orders, and we got Taco Bell earlier. Those $5 craving boxes. Damn, they put a lot of food in those suckers.
I guess Brantley's joining too.
Oh, Brantley too. Yeah, these $5 crave boxes. They come with like 3 tacos, or a gordita, a burrito, a hard taco, a drink, and cinnamon twists for $5. You cannot beat that price, Joe. You just can't beat that price. So we are now, I'm going to eat a little bit more of that, and I'm going to watch these kids out here. They're all wrestling on the yard. It's ridiculous. They're such boys. Boys, yeah. And the one lone little girl, poor Ellie. Yeah. And yeah, so I'm tomorrow I work in the office, and I don't really have much going on before we go to Put-in-Bay, so I hope I have more footage and more stuff for you guys on this vlog, but I don't know, this week's been kind of sparse. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Yeah, but anyway, I'm sure I'll have some. I'm telling you, wait till the Put in Bay video because that's going to be banging and a damn good time. It is Monday. I'm sitting out on the back patio right now because I don't really even know how to put this into words. Like, your girl's struggling right now, like, struggling with some things, and it's hard on so many levels to even share this because you almost feel like when you have a social media presence at all, or any type of influencer status, which, baby, I am not even to that top tier anywhere near yet. But you almost feel like you're supposed to not say certain things or share certain things, but I feel compelled to be so transparent because I'm human. You're human. We have feelings and emotions that, you know, you can't just pretend that those don't exist. You know what I mean? And I'm saying this because your girl is struggling. I feel like I'm failing. I feel like I'm failing. Like, and I know in the grand scheme of things, I'm not necessarily, considering how much the channel has grown over the last year and 2 months that I've been on YouTube. The channel has grown by leaps and bounds, but I still feel like I'm failing. And the struggle is real when it comes to finances. Like, yeah. I've had to do a lot of thinking about moves I'm going to have to make in order to keep my head above water in this economy, and I'm probably going to have to go back to full-time office work, even though I loathe it. And I feel stifled and constrained, and the life is sucked out of me slowly every day. But it's like, what choice do you have, you know? And there was actually a point earlier today in an attempt to, well, let me back that up. Earlier today, I made a decision to clean out my backups, like all the backups I have of high-end, you know, well, not high-end, let me take that back, Bath & Body Works scents that are discontinued and highly sought after. And I went ahead and I listed those on Mercari. I did it. I didn't want to. I also took some more of my perfumes that I know are worth money, and I threw them on there because, and Anthony saw me doing it, and he was like, why are you selling those? And the only thing I could say is the money to pay the electric bill next month is worth more than this scent. There's some transparency for you. There's some transparency for you. It is what it is. Priorities, right? And I'm going to keep on keeping, though. I'm not going to give up. I'm not going to give up. I'm not. Because earlier today, I was sitting there. I release new weekly vlogs, these vlogs, every Monday. And the views are not anywhere near what they would need to be, like even compared to my Bath & Body Works videos. And I had a moment earlier today of just sitting here going, why am I spending all this time videoing every part of my daily life a lot of times and putting it out there on social media, and nobody probably freaking fracking cares. Like, who cares? I mean, I get a couple hundred views on my vlogs every week. It's nothing big, like nothing big at all. But I love sharing the things that I do in my life and just documenting pieces of my everyday life. And I got a comment on the vlog I put up for 4th of July that just actually went up today. I got a comment this evening, and I'm going to put a picture of that comment right here. I don't ever recall seeing a comment from sis ever before, like ever. But this comment is what helped me get through today. knowing that people are enjoying watching them. They're getting some value out of them. Whatever it may be, and that people enjoy watching them. So even though I've never conversated with you before on any level, shape, or form, and I've never even seen you comment, I don't recognize the name, you 100% made a difference to me today. So thank you for that, because your girl was struggling. Your girl's been struggling emotionally, financially, mentally, just wondering if I'm doing the right thing. Me making these videos on YouTube, a YouTube channel, am I doing the right thing? Is this the path I should go down? And I'm going to tell you something. Those comments from you guys mean the world to me. Like, way more than you would ever know. Way more. And it's ironic that in my moments that I've always had, and I've had a lot of moments of being like, I should just give up this channel. I shouldn't be doing this. This maybe isn't for me. And, you know, how much time I sacrifice to give to this channel. Maybe this isn't for me. And then I get these comments. And they invigorate me and renew me on such a deeper level than y'all don't even realize. So I just want you guys to know, like, from my heart, your comments mean the world to me. They really do. They make your girl go from, like, in tears earlier to all of a sudden, yeah, you guys have that power with me. Like, y'all, I am extremely grateful for every single one of you who watches, who comments, all of you who've subscribed over the last year and a couple months. Y'all don't even know. You don't even know. You don't even know. And I've developed some really good friendships with some subscribers on here that I've never knew and I've never met in real life, never talked to in real life. But the comments that you consistently leave me, I feel like I know you. And I appreciate and love y'all for that, honest to God. So I just wanted to share that little bit, be a little transparent, that even your girl has some down moments. Like, you know, but we gonna fight through that, and we gonna keep pushing. Keep on trucking, baby. Yeah. So, but yeah, I'm gonna get on to some other things here, and I will check in with y'all later. I love you guys. Are we gonna go bye-bye? Are we gonna go on vacation? Oh, we're gonna go on vacation. Oh,